This past Saturday, the Indian Students Association of Oregon State University hosted their annual India Night at LaSalle Stewart Center. This year's show featured several different types of entertainment, from Bollywood dances, singing, and even a fashion show at the end of the night, showcasing several different types of traditional Indian attire. OSU students and community members of all ages attended India Night 2013, and along with the show were treated to an Indian meal at the intermission. Co-presidents of ISA, Rupa Sharam and Naveen Nanja, talked about the importance of India Night and bringing it to the OSU community.
I would say that our motto for ISA is unity through diversity, and so if you looked at the crowd tonight, the crowd was extremely diverse. It was people who'd been to India Night for tons and tons of years, and it was people who had never been before and had showed up for the first time, but they were all here, just to witness this celebration of Indian culture and food, music, dance. And it was just a fun night, and we want to entertain people, but at the same time give them an idea of what Indian culture is more than just, people say Bollywood is the big thing, but tonight if you looked at the performances, it was a wide array of stuff, way more than just Bollywood. I think it hopefully got people to appreciate Indian culture.
I think it brings people of various backgrounds together to build one community, and I think that sense of community is very important.
This has been Emily Shute with the Beaver News. Now back to you in the studio.